Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Benny Childs. I am the founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor, and I am coming to you today with a quick video update on my trades. Just to let you guys know what's going on, and I'm also coming out with a quick update of my workflow trading system or trading knowledge, however you want to put it. Um, I'm coming out with a version 2 just to kind of help simplify some things for you guys to help you to see how easy it is to trade Forex. Always remember, when pips make sense, cents make dollars. And as you see on the screen, there is risk involved with Forex, just like there is risk involved in any type of investment that you do. If you do real estate, if you do uh, 401ks, Roths, CDs, stocks, bonds, you name it, there is always risk involved. So, and also while we're at it, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to you all. And it's my prayer that you guys will spend some time with your families and have a happy Thanksgiving. So let's just jump over to the chart and blow this up for you guys a little bigger and let you guys see what's going on. So these are the pairs that I trade whenever you see me. These are the pairs that I like to trade. These are the more volatile pairs. You're going to get the bigger moves with these pairs, and so I just want to share that with you guys. So again, you guys know I try to be as transparent as possible, so you guys can get the real deal when it comes to this Forex thing. So right now we're up about $1,300 in profit. Um, I did have some trades that I closed out um, in the negative. I wanted to go ahead and get out of these trades because of the holiday. I didn't want to necessarily hold those in, so that dropped our profit loss to $7,300. And again, you guys, if you've been following me, you guys saw when I deposited the $5,000 in the account, and so now, right now, the account is a little over 1,200. Again, my goal is to quadruple the account, and so right now, USD JPY, um, I am currently in a buy position, and the market is getting ready to turn around. Now, with my version 2 workflow system or workflow template, um, what you're gonna get, you're gonna now get the boxes that we got before, but now we're gonna get these arrows, okay? And now the arrows, they do not repaint, all right? The arrows do not repaint. The boxes repaint, all right? The boxes do repaint. They have always repainted, and so you guys know how I feel about um, indicators, right? They're good to have. They're good to use. I don't knock them at all. But you have to have the knowledge of, again, market structure, market cycle, and market manipulation. All right, you just don't want to just go solely off of the indicator. All right, and if you're a part of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, then you guys know that you have the training on how exactly it is that we filter these trades out. Now with version 2 uh, of the workflow trading system, um, now we have these non-repainting arrows. So whenever you get a box or an arrow inside of a box, then you know that this is a strong indication that the market is getting ready to either A, pull back, or B, totally turn around. So And you guys know that I like to trade the 4 hour chart, but you can knock this all the way down. You can use this all the way down to the minute chart. So if you wanted to scalp, you can. All right. And so you guys kind of see here what I mean by if you get the arrow and the box together, right? You know that these are stronger. Here we have an arrow by itself for this candle, um, showing that it's getting ready to go up. And if you would have jumped in here when when this candle closed, then of course eventually it would have started going up on you. All right. But if you get the arrow and the box combination, then this is what you want to look for, the arrow and the box combination. So what I'm doing is right now I am in this buy. I'm going to hold the buy until the close of this candle. All right, I'm going to let this go up as much as it can. USD JPY, we're currently up $398, and we only have a $5 lot size on it. So we're going to let this get as much money as possible. If you come here, let me see. I drew the support here, or excuse me, I drew the zones off of the daily chart, and so we can see now that this zone is being tested. Of course, you can see here where. All right, awesome. You can see here where we got the signal on this day, November 7th, right? And the market did go down. So the market closed up here, November 7th, and then it did go down for a potential of 103 pips over 6 days. All right, so I'm just kind of showing you guys that this version 2 is spot on. And so you can get rid of the moving averages. We don't need the moving averages. You guys see where I got rid of the stochastic and the TDI. And so I'm just trying to get this a little bit more cleaner for you all. And so if we wanted to, we could get rid of the moving averages. But I just like to have them on there, um, um, as well as um, the price points, knowing where the price points are. Now, of course, we can use the crosshairs and find out what the price points are. But why not just have an indicator? Why not just have some indication as to where you are as far as the price grid? So I definitely suggest having these, and then these here are just weekly dividers, and I got this from FX something, but you can check the market for your weekly dividers, but these aren't necessary. But I really like these simply because I like them. All right, I like to have my weeks divided up like that. So and that works all the way up to the daily time frame. So, but just to let you guys know the strategy, what I'm doing is I am going to, since today is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, we know the markets are going to be very, very slow. I'm drilling down to the 1 hour, and I'm going to trade this off of the 1 hour. And so once this market closes, and in all actuality, I can drop down to the 15-minute chart and kind of wait for my signal to jump in here. So I would jump in, all right. I would jump in, and then close out here. So that's going to be the plan for these trades. So you guys can kind of see how you can trade. And let me switch over so you guys can see my face. But you guys can see how. And let me drill down just a little bit. All right. So you guys can see how you can work both sides of the market. All right. Right now, USD JPY, I'm in a buy, and now I have a signal to sell. All right. Now I have a signal to sell. Now I'm gonna wait. All right. Um, and this I'm showing you guys market structure. All right. If you're part of the program, you know the weekly cycle or the market cycle or the monthly cycle. You guys know the market cycle, and you also know market manipulation. You know what the market makers are doing. All right, that's no secret. So, but again, what I've done was put together this trading system to help you to visually see what's going on. All right, what's going on, and then also you have the knowledge behind that. You have the knowledge behind it to filter out your trades. But again, version 2, I really love version 2 because in version 2, we have these non-repainting arrows. We have the non-repainting arrows. We still have the squares that show up to let us know when a reversal or a pullback is taking place. And that's what we like to trade. We like to trade reversals. We like to trade pullbacks. We do trend trading and counter trend trading. All right, but you get the most opportunities on these pullbacks and reversals. Okay, uh, excuse me. So that's the cat's out of the bag, if you will. But the cat has always been out of the bag. That is what we trade, right? We trade. These reversals and pullbacks, right? And so like even for example here, let me pull this. Let me switch over. All right, and give you guys that. Tell you what, let's I'm going to copy that and all right. Just want you guys to be able to see me, that's all. All right, so let me go ahead. All right, awesome. Well, you guys can see my face while I'm doing this. So for instance here, we got the signal um, that the market was reversing. It closed up here, and a potential of over 1,200 pips. All right, I would have just waited for this one to close. All right, and so that would have been a potential of 100. Excuse me, that's at 1,200, 120 pips. So that would have waited for that to close. So you're looking at 106 pips, right? Over yeah, 120 hours. So it's very simple, right? That's very simple. This makes it easy, right? This makes it so much easier because again, you have the knowledge, you have the understanding of the market structure, the market cycle, and market manipulation. And now this takes the guesswork out of it for you. And now you're only coming to your chart uh, once a day. If you want, you can trade this on the daily and just kind of wait for these for these signals. And so, but again, trading it on the 4 hour, it really lets you play both sides of the market. So uh, and we're gonna jump, like I said, I'm gonna jump in on this on the 1 hour. So again, because I don't want to wait 4 hours, because if I wait 4 hours, the market is going to be closed. We got Thanksgiving, so I'd rather just go ahead and jump in and be able to grab a few extra dollars, a few extra pips. So let's take a look at UJ. All right, right now we're in a buy, and we are up. I mean, we can just look at it down at the bottom, but we are up 52 pips on this. So that's Euro J, 52 pips, $239 at a $5 lot size. GBP CAD, we're in this and we're up. We're up a total of 42 pips. All right. GBP USD, we are up total of 23 pips. All right, Litecoin. All right, I told you guys you could trade crypto as well. All right, uh, we're actually down on this one 1 pip. So 1 pip, where is it? Litecoin, that's $9. So we're down on that. But taking a look at the daily, we came in on the 4-hour chart. We're still heading in the correct direction with the daily. Waiting for confirmation here, and we can look for this to head here. If it comes through that, we'll look for it to head here as well. So bam, got the signal here. Look forward to head here, or look for Litecoin to head here. So I would just watch this. More than likely, watch for it to test. It's gonna have to get through this first, but watch for it to test the bottom of this zone, or either the top of this zone. So Litecoin is looking good. It's just doing its thing, but it is certainly we're certainly heading in the right direction for it. All right, Litecoin, you guys who like to trade crypto, I got you covered. All right, so we see that we have an overall lower low here. All right, we all have a overall low here. Then we got lower low, 1, 2, 3 lower lows, fighting to get to not to drop back down in this zone. So we'll see. Litecoin could be making a gradual turn. All right, we see here where here it had some straightaway V's here. All right, but here we see where it is possibly making a gradual turn. So that's why we're in Litecoin. Just want to share that with you guys. We're in Litecoin with that. All right, and this is simply using the workflow template. All right, US CAD. We are in a sell on this, and we are currently what? Let's see. We are currently down 1 pip on that. So, and it probably be going a little bit before it actually completely turns around. But I can't remember why we got in on that one. Exactly why we got in on that one, but nonetheless, we see the high of the day here. So see the high of the day here. So it's definitely pushing down. So no worries about that. So again, I want to show you guys the version 2 workflow trading system from the Teach Me the Fish FX trading community. Sorry. We're up 15 now. I think we were up 14 when we started the stream. So we're up 15 now. If we bank that, you're looking at 14. So maybe about 6,000 away from our goal. And so I see us reaching our goal to quadrupling this account by the end of the year. But that is our goal. So again, I want to do this to prove to you guys that Forex works. If you're looking for a way to make money online, or to have multiple streams of income, or to replace your current income, Forex Forex is a key. I'll just tell you that now. Forex is a key. It is the foreign exchange market. I prefer to trade this over stock, even though we can trade stock. All right, we can come in here. trade stock. Um, this screen capture software that I use, you guys can't see it, but we can trade Apple. Um, we can trade Adidas. We can trade AIG, Amazon. Um, Here, let's throw a couple of these on here. Let's go at Apple. Let's go at Amazon. You guys see them coming over here, all right? Um, Bank of America. That's not as interesting. Let's see, Chevron. Not as interesting. eBay. We'll leave that. All right. Hey, let's take a look at Google. Let's see. Let's go at Netflix. Guys, we can trade stock. It doesn't matter. Here. Let's go ahead and chart this. Bam. Look at this. What day is this? Apple. Got the signal here on November 19th to go down. And what did the market do? It went down. Now, of course, you can expect for this to be tested, this resistance to be tested, but the market is going down. Let's take a look on the daily. Oh yeah, got the signal here on the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly. Oh yeah, I got a signal here on the weekly. Even got a signal here on the monthly. So let me see. I wonder how. Oh yeah, it's at an all-time high. Apple stock is at an all-time high, and so let's get ready to drop. Let's go right here to the daily. They're doing on the hourly. Right. Again, I like the 4 hour. Let's take a look at Amazon. Alright, we got a signal here. Let's see what it's looking like on the 1 hour. Yeah, you just, I mean, wait for confirmation here. We see here the average daily range for Amazon has been hit. So unless some, they release some type of news for the company that's going to get the stockholders um, to buy, all right, this market is going to head down. So take a look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, high of the day, right? Shooting down, getting ready to come up and make that double top or M formation. Right? I'm not saying that the M formation is the same thing as a double top, because it's not. But it could either be making a double top or an M formation, and with the various forms of an M. All right. For you guys out there, I definitely know what I'm talking about when it comes to the M's and W's and high of the day and all that good stuff, which works. We teach that as well in the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. The market makers method. So, all right, let's take a look at Google. Keep going. So again, I'm just showing you guys, yeah, we can trade stock as well, all right? But we won't trade it. We won't trade it traditionally, all right? You're a day trader, all right? And this way you can work. You can also work both sides of the stock market, all right? You can also get in on a buy, all right, when the value of the company is appreciating, all right? You can make money then when the value of the company is depreciating. Hope I said that right. But you can make money that way. So again, it can be stocks can be traded, crypto can be traded, And I just like this platform. I like the Forex brokers because they allow you to play both sides of the market. All right. And if you need that knowledge, and if you have that knowledge and you want it simplified for you, then you need to sign up on the Teach Me the Fish Effects uh, trading community. Look at this. We're at 1,500. All right. We started out at what, 13, 14. Now we're at 15. So almost tempted to take that, but we're going to wait and let the market play out because we have a goal in mind. Okay. Netflix. Netflix is getting ready to go down. And you guys can go back and fact check me. I think we did. I can't remember what pair that was, but if you follow the market makers method coming out of the Asian session going into the London, going into the London session, you had your setup was there, and my workflow trading system back on version 1, it pinpointed it, and it ran down to the 200 moving average, the white moving average. So you guys have to go back. I think it was just one or two videos, and you can see, go back and check that. Oh wow, he called it, and it did just that. Because I even said that if you're trading the market makers method, you're gonna take profit at the 200, right? Because the market makers method is a scalping strategy, and you can turn around. Of course, you can turn around and do swing trading with it as well. But you got 20 pips. It went down to the 200, and you got 20 pips. So go back, go through the playlist, and find that video, and you'll see. You can fact check me, guys. So I didn't erase the video. I didn't delete the video. If I was going to be wrong, I was going to be wrong. But you were able to get your 20 pips. Now, did the market continue to go up? Yes, because that wasn't the full high of the day. But catching that initial manipulation coming out of the Asian going into the London session, you were able to catch that. So we're almost at $1,600 in profit right now. All right. Live Forex trading, guys. Not many people are out here doing this. I'm not saying I'm the only one. I'm not the only one. All right. But this is live Forex trading for you guys. All right. I have nothing to hide, nothing to prove, but also nothing to hide. I genuinely want to help individuals out there, and so that's why we also have a free course. All right, we have a free course on how to teach me the Fish Effects trading community, and so. Once this one closes, or once this one is done, I'm gonna close out of it, and I may just come back Friday and jump into this sale. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do is jump back into the sale. So what is this, USD JPY? Let's go ahead and take profit. All right, so we're taking profit live for you guys. So you guys see we're at 1,600 right now. All right, I'm always tempted to let this thing go. Go a little more, but I'm gonna go ahead and take 400. All right, we're at 12,725 now. So now the profit is at 1,100. All right. And so let's just go back through and just take a look at everything. All right, we're still looking good on Euro JPY. Okay. Still looking good on GCAD, GBP USD, looking really good. We're doing a little counter trend here. This is getting ready to turn around. So we'll probably get out once this one closes. Once this hour candle closes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get out because again, remember, with version 2, you have an arrow inside of a square. Right, so these are very, very strong. The arrows are really powerful, but we've also added the arrows inside of the squares as well. So we're going to jump out of that. GJ, where are we at on GJ? Wow, I don't even have GJ on here. I don't even know what GJ is doing. Let's see. Yeah, GJ is getting ready to turn around too. 16 minutes. Totally overshot the ADR. So yeah, we're definitely gonna take our $666 off of that. Yeah, because we're doing counter trend trading, and we can see where this zone right here. I hate it when my thing does that. I like for it to overlap a little. So we definitely can see this zone being tested. Okay. It's gonna shoot down. A little bit of consolidation here going across. You guys see this? Nothing but consolidation. Alright, and that's on the daily. Yeah, it's getting ready to go down. And so we're counter trending on that one. GJ. We'll go ahead and take that. Alright, so that's 2 trades that you seen me take so far. Now we're here at 13,391. Euro J. Alright, we're still looking good on it. Got a signal here. And again, the only reason because you guys know I mainly trade off of the 4-hour, but the only reason I'm really like drilling down and kind of jumping out on the 1 hour is because it's the day before the holiday, and you're gonna always have opportunity. It makes no sense to be an impulsive and impatient trader. It makes no sense, and so we're not. It's plenty of time to make money. As long as the Lord delays His coming, and He blesses you to breathe another day, you're gonna have opportunity to trade. So it makes no sense just to you know just to be greedy, right? So we're counter trending on trend trading on this one as well. So I am just jumping out of these trades, banking this money. All right, excuse me. GBP CAD. We're still looking good on this. We're counter trending on this one, so got another signal. Again, if it was not the day before the holiday, I would not be jumping out of these trades. I would sit here and wait for good enough confluence to get out. So on the 4-hour chart, it may not even go up and retest this zone here, but we see where the zone was created. It came up, it tested 50% of the zone here, about 50% of the zone, and then it came down, and now it's coming back up, all right, to retest it. So you also have this kind of mix here, right here. So, but yeah, so we're gonna see 12 minutes left. We're gonna go ahead and bank that too. GBP CAD, $190. GBP USD. Oh, got another signal on that one. Again, the only reason I'm doing this is because it's the day before a holiday. So get out of that. USD CAD. We're selling this one. This may be the only one. Yeah, see, if I would have called that, I would have got out and not even did that. So anyway, and we're countering on that one. I did not plan to do this, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and jump out of that. But we're still looking good, right? So it's just good, so you guys can see real life what it's like to trade Forex. All right. Buy. Let's get ready to go down. So we're gonna lose 13 on that. So day before the holiday, we're good. We are up $8,900, a little over $8,900 in profit. So we're sitting at 13, almost 1,400. So that's gonna be it. Now, I'm sorry, I did not have lunch yet. I need to go and have lunch, and then I won't be eating these Altoids. Listen, don't judge me. You guys know that you binge on Altoids too, so don't judge me. All right, cool. All right, so this is what I am going to do. Let's go ahead and get these back on here. Again, the reason why, and I've shared this with you guys before, the reason why I've chosen these pairs is because these are the most volatile. These were the most volatile pairs at the beginning of the year. I do, and you guys can see the ADR indication here, the average daily range. I do it over a course of a year, 365 days, right? And so, and then I'm always looking at the dollar index because I like to trade the dollar and the gold. But these are the most volatile pairs. You get bigger moves on these pairs. Let's do Bitcoin on here too. And I'll show you guys in a later video how I'm able to quickly find the most volatile pairs. So it's not a secret or anything. There's a website that I go to that has a volatility calculator. And so that's what I use. So where's gold? I like to throw gold. And I just, oh, here it is. I like to throw gold up here with the dollar. And I like to throw USD JPY up front. Let me share, do I want to share this with you guys? I mean, it's not a secret, but I mean, if you know it, you know it. If you don't know it, you don't know it. Yeah, why not? So there is a trading strategy. I'm sorry, Teach Me the Fish Effects community, but I'm going to share this with the world. And again, it's not a secret, but it's something that I share, inside the group that, some individuals didn't know about. But there's a trading strategy called inverse pair trading. And one of the top inverse pair that you have is gold and USD JPY. All right. And so, and watch this. You can see prime example. If gold is going up, you guys see how we got this signal right here? That gold is going to be going up. Inverse repair, the reverse pair. We got the signal that gold is coming down. Excuse me, USD JPY. It's coming down. So that's why I like to have these two up front. But what I'm going to do is just go through the chart really quick. So we got a signal here. Basically what you would do, know what you're looking for, drill down. I'm gonna jump in this and hold this dollar over the weekend, at least over the holiday. So um, we'll just wait for the right timing on this one. Mm-hmm. So all right, I'm gonna jump in on that. Gold, we'll leave that alone. Mm-hmm. See what time is it? 2 o'clock. So we'll wait till about 4 o'clock on that. Again, it's not all about the indicator, but you got to have knowledge, because again, you have to. You can't. Don't just let the. It's just like the whole calculator in math thing. It's good to have the calculator, but it's better for you to know how to work the problem. All right, because there's no greater confluence than your knowledge. Right, so that's what we do. We have these indicators. It makes it easy for us, or that we can just simply glance, at the chart. But now, when we get the indication, now we need to drill down and see uh, if everything is lining up: structure, cycle, and manipulation. So um, that's what we're doing here. Yeah. So it's looking good. Let me hurry up, guys. This is going to be a counter trend, but we're going to go ahead and jump in here. We'll leave it. Jump in on that one. All right, guys. So we're in on these. These will be held until over the holiday. So, oh, what is this one? All right. So because we'll be holding these over the holiday, we'll just go from there, guys. It is what it is. So we'll be able to come back and see how these trades turn out. And so you saw me take these trades live in front of you, and so we'll be able to come back. Looks like I'm already in profit. $10. Look, all of them are currently in profit. I'm kind of laughing and smirking now because you gotta wait for things to play out. But I'm already in profit, so I wish I would have took standards on, but we'll wait and we'll add to the positions. All right, we can always do that. Again, we're not gonna be greedy. We're not gonna be impulsive. We're gonna take our time. You guys see how we jump in and we make our money. We start this account. You see right here, $5,000. All right, we're up $8,900 in profit. Nothing to be mad about. It's a part of the Forex game. You win some, you lose some. I know there's guys out there saying, they have 100%, strategy and things of that nature. But the only 100% strategy is to sit back and don't trade. Don't get in the game. All right. It's kind of like the basketball game. If you don't want to get hurt, then don't play. But you play knowing that there's a chance that you can get hurt, knowing that there's a chance that you can lose. But if you're making educated decisions, you're knowing why you're getting in based on structure, cycle, and manipulation, then you're good. So, all right, that's gonna be it. See, I was smirking. I was like, yeah, we're in profit with everything. We were up $12. Now we're down $9. But we'll see. You guys will see these trades played out. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Again, if you are interested in learning how to trade Forex, if you are interested in creating multiple streams of income, creating that generational knowledge for you and your family, then head over. You guys see the website right here. Head over to the teachmetofisheffects.com. Sign up. You can sign up on the free tier. I have a pro trader tier, and then I also have the market beater tier. So sign up on anyone that you're comfortable with that works for you, and I look forward to seeing you guys inside of the community. So that's gonna be it, guys. So, and just to share with you what you get in it, you get the training videos, and then you also get the workflow template for either the pro trader or the market beater level. This is not available on the free level, but you get those, and then also on the market beater level, on the pro trader and the market beater level, you get trading signals. All right, we have weekly trading signals coming out for you guys on those levels, and then on the market beater, you get the mentorship program. All right, you get the mentorship. You get to get on a phone call with me every week at the beginning of the week. Video conference, not phone call, but video conference, and I answer all of your questions, and I coach you and I walk you through it. So that's on the market beater trading level, and that's pretty much the differences in the level. So if you want to sign up, head over to the website, sign up, and we'll get you started. We'll get you going. 2020 is around the corner. Why not start the year off with a bang. Why not start the year off with a plan for a better quality of life and learning how to trade Forex and actually making some money? So, all right, guys, that is it. I apologize that the video went so long, but I like to show you guys, I like to give you these live trading videos so you guys can actually get a feel for what it is that goes on with trading. All right, so you get a full understanding of what goes on with trading. All right, guys, so I'm out. As always, if you stand God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.